So if you're cubing these up to freeze for an ice cube or for smoothies for later, what you do is you put them on your sheet tray here. I like to use these stainless steel sheet trays. I never use aluminum in my kitchen. So I buy these nice stainless steel sheet trays. Look for the link. You can pick up something like this on Amazon real cheap. The link is in the description of the video, where I found some that that I really like for a good price. So the idea is that you keep them separate on your sheet tray, all separated, and you pop it in the freezer. So when they freeze, they don't freeze together. And once they're frozen, you can pull them out. You put them in a Ziploc bag or put them in your storage container, however, and keep them frozen. They'll stay separate once they're frozen. Okay, that's called individually quick frozen. It's like what they do with shrimp and stuff. That's how you get it not to be one big frozen mass, but all separate pieces. It's great for use, like I said, as an ice cube. This is going to be short, sweet, to the point. We're cutting a watermelon. We're going to put it in the blender. What I like to do is cut the ends off just enough so I can stand it up like this. And then I'm going to go around. I'm going to take the peel off. What I'm going to do is cube the watermelon so that it blends up nicely. Also, they store nicely. I'm going to end up putting some in the fridge so I can snack on them all summer long. So from here, like I said, short and sweet, let's do this. I'm going to cut the rind off the watermelon. I'm going to follow the curvature of the watermelon here. Just cutting the rind off, trying to keep as much red on there as I can. Some people prefer to use a boning knife, right, with a thinner blade. Nice thin little blade. Easier to curve around the shape of the melon. Stuff, maybe compost, feed it to your chickens. Come through like this, right? This. Save them for later. Put them on your sheet tray. Freeze them for an ice cube. I like to use the Vitamix. This guy right here I bought like 10 years ago, it seems like. And it's just bulletproof. It's been through everything with me. I've taken it to foreign countries. I've let people borrow it, which is like something you shouldn't do to a Vitamix. And it works just as good as the day I bought it. So yeah, I literally swear by them, trust them with my life. And they make a mean smoothie. They'll blend up watermelon. They'll blend up anything better than any other blender on the market, in my opinion. So yeah, they have a spot in my kitchen for sure.